All right, so we just found the slope of a line tangent using algebra, and now we're going to use that same idea to find a derivative or find instantaneous velocity at a specific point in time. Okay, so we're going to be given a time, and it says on the paper, and I'll see if I can read this while I'm looking at it. It says, wrong way. There it is. Okay, it says, can't do it. The distance of an object above the ground, t seconds after it is dropped, is given by function d of t. Find the instantaneous velocity of the object at the given value for t. All right, and so this first one is d of t is 800 minus 16 t squared, and we're finding it at time 3 seconds into the fall. So we know we're looking for something negative, right? We're going to look for some negative value. And I've set it up here where this is our function, and it looks eerily similar to what we've just done. And I think that is on purpose. Let's see if I can get rid of I can't get rid of any of that glare. Anyway, here we go. Here's my function. Here's the formula to use. And I started putting the numbers in. Everywhere you see a t, you put in a 3. All right, so I'm given a value for t, and I'm going to put that in everywhere I see a t, and I'm going to use the function and square it when I need to. Okay, and that's exactly what I did. So when I input this value, my function is 800 minus 16 t squared, or t plus h squared. So my time is 3. Here's minus plus h. Woo! Look at that. I already made a mistake. Oh, well, I did it there. Oh, horrible. What an awful human being I am. Anyway, here we go. I just made my correction, right? And here it is. Here's my function as it stands. Now, I did some of the math. I did my FOIL here. I haven't distribute yet. I can get to it when I need to. Okay, good. All right, so 800 and minus 144. 800 and minus 144 are right here. I'm going to be able to cancel those out in a second. So I've done this math. As you can see, 800 minus 16, 3 plus h squared. 800 minus 16, 3 squared. Here we go. And now I have 800 minus 144. 800 minus 16 times. I've FOILed 9 plus 6h plus h squared. I'm going to then distribute my negative 16 to everything in the next step. So my next step is 800 minus 16 times 9, which is 144, plus negative, so I'll go ahead and make it minus 16 times 6, I believe that's 96. H, and then plus minus 16h squared, because I multiplied by negative 16. And then that's quantified, then minus 800 minus 144. And the reason I left it like this is so you could see just what I did last time. I was able to cancel those values out. And so it's all over h, right? And so what I'll do is I'll just rewrite this bit, which is negative 96h minus 16h squared all over h, right? If I factor out an h, which is what I want to do, which is 8h minus 96 minus 16h all over h. And I can cancel this out. And if I go ahead, remember, this is the limit as h approaches 0. So now that I've canceled and I don't have an h in the denominator, I can just input my 0 here. And this gets rid of this. And my height, or my speed at that moment in time, my velocity, because it's negative, is negative 96. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, on the problem, it's talking about, I don't know. It doesn't give me a unit. So I'm going to call it meters per second. It didn't give me a number. It didn't give me any units. Very upset about that. But we got to our negative 96, and that's what's most important. Sorry that took so long. One little problem takes a long time. We're going to be able to do more of this tomorrow. But I want to start with the video I just showed, which shows us how to find that instantaneous slope. Okay? You guys are doing great. This is a difficult concept to jump on and end the year with, but I really wanted to work on something that got you ready for calculus, because you pre-calc guys need to jump into calculus and start working hard. And this little idea right here, when you start next year, you're going to start running, okay? And you can take off with this. And Miss Frazier is going to show you a lot of tricks on how to get this without working so hard taking derivatives. But using the algebra to get there is a great skill to have, so you can do this on your own. Thank you.